G'day everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss how we can fit our DJI Spark drone and all the gear into the supplied DJI case. Now there's a lot of gear, but there is a method that you can actually pack everything in there. So I'm going to change the camera angle and get you a bit closer, and hopefully we can show you how it's done. Here we have the DJI case here on the left where all this gear will go in, but what I've done is I've put everything on the table as it would go in the case. So we obviously have the controller here with the foam protection for the joysticks. We have the charging cable and the transformer there, set of propellers there, and underneath we have the Spark. Now, and basically if I take everything off, this is how everything goes in the case. So if I take everything off one by one, so we got the Spark underneath, we got the charging cables there, and you can see on either side where the gap is, you've got 2 spare batteries and plus one in the Spark. There's a spare set of propellers there, or you can put your main set of propellers in there, and then we have the controller there with the foam padding which separates it from that. So basically everything that you saw there slides in that direction, but if I had everything stood up, yeah, you can see a lot better. I'll try to endeavour to put everything in while you're watching it. Okay, now I'm going to pack everything in the bag as you're watching it. So basically we grab the Spark controller with the foam protection for the joysticks. I just put them in on the side, like so. Now I have taken out the center divider that was in there. You don't really need that. So I've put that in there. The Spark sits upways like that. So you just put that in like so. And in between the legs you put spare batteries. Now I've only got 2 spare batteries. Now this part is a little bit fiddly, but you can get them in there in between. So basically we've got the drone and the 2 batteries in between the gaps there. Now if you can see in there, you've got 2 little pouches. Those pouches are good, but they get in the way, especially now because I slide the charging transformer straight in there. So what you do is you basically put your finger in there and move that pouch up against the wall of the bag, I should say. And what's fiddly is the batteries keep falling out, so just bear with me a minute. So it's not something that you want to do every 5 minutes. This is great for travelling overseas. So basically put the transformer in, hold the battery down, and the cabling down the side. So basically, so you've got your drone there, as you can see, your batteries are in there, and then you've got your power point or your power plug that can sit in there, and pretty much any propellers you've got, you can put them in a little packet, put them at the top there, or you've got this section up here where you can keep your spare propellers, and that's pretty much it. So basically once you've finished, you can just close everything up. Here we have the bag all fully packed, and like I said earlier, this is great for when you're going overseas, so you can have everything all in the one bag. It's a bit fiddly because you're squashing everything in there, but everything can fit in there. So you've got your packet of propellers, you've got your drone there, you've got batteries on either side where the legs are, the gaps, you've got your power plug there and your transformer, and you've got your controller there, and obviously in the pouch at the front here you've got the charging hub. Now also you've got a little section here where you can put your spare propellers, and you've also got your cable, so when you're charging your controller. So pretty much everything is in there, and it fits in there pretty snugly, but you have to take out your divider, which is this section here. You have to take that out. Pretty much everything in there is pretty snug, and that's pretty much it. Now if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification to get the icon to get notifications.